guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a deep floor cleaning. So you'll be seeing all kinds of things. The slow vacuum, which I love to do. I pull my carpet cleaner out and we're just gonna get this place all cleaned up. So over there in that little corner, you can see that's pretty much all of my stuff except for that red thing. But I brought all my stuff, my cleaning supplies. I brought Cooper, so of course I needed his cage, which he has not been in yet. But I just had to bring all his stuff because he had to go get groomed as well before we came. So he has a fresh haircut. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum, and y'all know how I am about slow vacuuming and going different directions, and so I wanted to do that on this rug. Beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, decluttering, organizing, all things homemaking and cleaning. And if you like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is DelightfulCourtney19. Showed you the canister after I just regular vacuum, and now I'm gonna go slow vacuum, and I'm going really slow right now because I want you to see how slow I'm actually going. But don't worry, I will end up speeding it up to 20 times so you won't have to sit through this so long.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and
So this seriously took me 20 minutes to slow vacuum, but let me just tell you, it is so worth it when you see how much dirt is being pulled up from the carpets. That is why I love to slow vacuum.
I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I am running for you.
So I seriously love this carpet cleaner. I feel like it does such a great job on the carpet, and I bought it about a year ago, so I don't know if they sell this brand anymore, but it is the Hoover, and I'm gonna try to link it down below so you can check Walmart, because that's where I got it from. And I'll also try to find it on Amazon if they have it. But there are a few spots that she wanted me to kind of concentrate on, and I'm telling you, it came right up. So definitely such a good deal on this carpet cleaner.
I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
So these are her small group books, and so I wanted to make sure that I put everything back where I found them, because I know for sure she has small group at her house each week, and so again, wanted to make sure I put everything back where I found them.
Just from time to time, inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you.
So the last thing I wanted to do was just go ahead and give the couches a good vacuum. So I'm using my cordless vacuum. It's called the Acum, and so I'm gonna try to link it down below for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new, push that subscribe button so you can be part of my little YouTube family, and make sure you push that like button. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.